welcome back. So today I'm gonna do a quick tutorial to show you my tips and tricks on how to achieve that natural glow. And yes, my face is super close to the camera. I got a new camera. I wanted to make sure that this tutorial is going to capture everything so you can see the glow and you can see everything that I'm doing. So I'm just gonna jump right at it. The first product that I love using is the Pixi Skin Glow Tonic. I'm not sure if that's even focusing. Oh, there we go. So it looks like this, and I've been using it for about a year. Just a little bit of background on my skin. I have really acne prone skin. I struggled with cystic acne for since I was 21, about 5-6 years, and I've been on Accutane, and ever since I used this, it helped maintain my skin. I would have hormonal acne from now and then, but this helped maintain my skin and keep it clear and of course bring the glow out. I love it. So I'm gonna start with just pouring a bit in the on the cotton pad and just applying it all over my face. Go. It has really light scent to it. That's why I love it. I'm very sensitive to smell, so I like things that doesn't smell too overwhelming. The second one, this is my secret ingredient. It has been my favorite. I've been watching a lot of YouTubers and beauty gurus talk about it, and I got it from Amazon. It's the Jason Vitamin E oil. It has been amazing on my skin. It moisturizes. I live in Canada, so during the winter times, if you live in Canada, you know how drying it could be on the skin. And ever since I use this, sometimes I don't even have to use moisturizer. I just apply a bit, like a very small size, and put it all over my skin. It is a bit oily at first, but I think it disappears because your skin absorbs it pretty well. So I let it sit for a bit there, and after I apply the oil, of course that's kind of like the base, of course I put my primer, and one of my favorite primers would be the e.l.f. Poreless Putty primer. It's the primer that apparently broke the internet. It's super cheap. I think I got this for 10-11 Canadian dollars. I could be wrong, but I knew that the price was not as expensive, and it's supposed to be the dupe for the Tatcha primer, and I absolutely love it. So I just take a bit of my finger, apply it all over my face, and again, it has no scent. It's very light on the skin. Sometimes I don't even know if I applied enough, but they said less is more, so I put one layer on. There we go, and you can see how it starts blurring. I have acne scarring and pores, and this one does a really great job just blurring that out. Put it under my eye a bit. There you go. And since this tutorial is more of the natural finish, no heavy foundation, I'm going to be using the new Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. It's a natural skin perfector. It's been one of my favorite and the only tinted moisturizer I've used. I did do a review on it. I'll put the description right below. Hopefully it helps. I am in the shade 4W1 Tawny. So I'm just going to apply it in my Sephora brush here. It's just a flat paddle brush that helps spread it on my skin better. You can use your fingers too, but sometimes I find that it sticks on my finger and I have to wash my finger and it annoys me a little. So I like applying it with the brush and then just blend it with my beauty blender right after. So just put it on all over. So this is very buildable, but obviously since it is just a tinted moisturizer, you're not going to get the coverage that you expect, but it is buildable. I would say it's light coverage, light to medium maybe for some, but I want to keep it light, so I only apply one layer. Put it on. There we go. Then I take my beauty blender. It's a little damp. Then you just blend it on your skin. There we go. And there it is. So this is what my skin looks like so far. It's a perfect match for me, honestly, especially that olive undertone, that tinted moisturizer. That tinted moisturizer is perfect. So after that, I usually just apply concealer under the eye because you would want to look more awake. Dab. I spread it a little on top of my eye so that it's pretty even. Go. So that's the base. I think the vitamin E oil has already achieved that nice glowy effect. So after that, you would want to add a bit of highlighter, but very little, just to add a little bit of dimension and accent to it and to emphasize the glow, but not looking too oily. So my trick is, so I have the Anastasia kit, the glow kit, and I'm going to be using shade Summer right there. Honestly, I just use my finger because I'm not going to be using much. Apply it on the nose. It helps contour a little. The cheeks. Right there. Then I take my beauty blender so that, because I feel like after I put highlighter, it looks a little chalky, and just to avoid that and just to blend it on the skin, I just dab it all over. So, and I think that's one of the main things. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup, like my brows, my eyeshadow, my eyeliner, and then I'm gonna do my finishing touches. So here we go. Okay, so I have everything on, and this is what it looks like. And of course the glow is very natural. I love it. If you want to add more highlights, you can. So I'm just gonna show you what it looks like with a bit more highlight. So I'm just gonna use the same one with my fingers and just highlight the side a little, just very lightly. Less is more. There you go. And of course, I know I already put the vitamin E oil on, but I'm just going to use it again just to, you know, add a bit more glow, just a drop. And then I just pat it at the sides of my cheeks. And this is what it looks like. And there you have it. That's your natural everyday glow. Not too much, but it is very glowy. If you want more of a glam look, you could add like a darker lipstick and blush and maybe darker eyeshadow, but I think this glow is amazing and I love it, and I hope this helped a lot. Let me know if you've tried it, if it worked for you. I would love to see your feedback on it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped. Thanks so much for watching.